Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on HONOR X5c Plus. So you have to start by using your power button and volume up button to open your power menu, and then select power off and tap again to power off your device. And once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds to enter recovery mode. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.